VED analysis separates inventory based on criticality. VED stands for vital, essential, and desirable. It's an inventory classification technique often used to spare parts and maintenance items. The main idea is not all items are equally important. Some are mission critical, while others can wait. By classifying items into VED categories, businesses make smarter decisions about what to stock, how much to stock, and how to quickly reorder. In the three categories, you first have the vital items. These are the must-have items. Without them, your operation stops. For example, power transformer in an electrical company, engine part in an airline, life-saving drug in a hospital. Stockouts of vital items causes huge losses, system failures, and massive risks. These must always be in stock, often with higher safety stock level. Then you have essential items. These items don't immediately stop operations if unavailable, but they affect efficiency and performance. For example, lubricants for machines, printer toner in an office, or packaging materials in a factory. Stockouts cause inconvenience, delays, and reduced productivity, but not a total shutdown. Desirable items. These are the least critical. They're good to have but not urgent. Examples: office decor items, spare tools that are rarely used, and non-critical accessories. Stockouts here have minimal impact, so companies usually keep very little or no stock and order only when needed. VED analysis helps businesses allocate resources wisely. The benefits of VED analysis includes focusing on critical items, ensure vital parts are always available, cost control, avoids wasting money on unnecessary stock, better risk management, reduces changes of costly breakdowns, efficient decision making, purchasing and stocking decisions are more systematic. It is especially used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, utilities, and aviation, where downtime costs are huge. How to perform VED analysis step by step? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. List all spare parts or items. Create an inventory list of all materials, spares, or consumables. Then step 2, define criteria for classification. Vital, no substitutes. Stockouts can stop operations. Essential, alternatives may exist but efficiency drops. Desirable, non-critical, stockout has little effect. Then you have to categorize items into VED, work with your technical and operations team to classify items. Then you have to set stocking policies. Vital items, always maintain stock, higher safety stock. Essential, maintain moderate stock levels. Desirable, keep minimum or no stock, order when required. By applying VED, you make sure critical power supply is not disrupted while still managing costs efficiently. VED versus ABC analysis. If you have seen my video about ABC analysis, you probably know that ABC focuses on costs and they classify item by value. The difference is simple: VED focuses on criticality. Many companies actually combine both of these methods. For example, vital A item, high cost, mission critical part that need close monitoring. This combo gives you the best of both worlds. To recap, vital items keep your operations alive. Essential items keep things running smoothly. Desirable items are nice to have but not urgent. By classifying inventory this way, you reduce risk, save money, and ensure business continuity. So that's all I had to say about VED analysis in inventory management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more supply chain and inventory management insights. Thanks for watching.